Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to day 5. Is it day 5 already? 14 days of Valentine's. Basically what I'm doing here on my channel is every single day leading up to Valentine's, I'm doing a new Valentine's inspired makeup idea tutorial, and it's been really fun so far. There's been 5 days. I can't believe it. I'll link the playlist up in an iCard so you can go check it out. If you've missed any of those videos, you can definitely go see those. I am so excited for today's video. You voted on my Instagram and wanted me to do some sort of like an olive inspired look. So this is my olive green look and I love how it turned out. This is perfect for this dress, you guys. Look at this dress for Valentine's Day. It has like green, red flowers. It's like sexy. I will put the link for this dress. I got it off of Amazon. I'll put the link for it down below so you can go see it. And if you want to like pair up this look with this dress, it's like perfect. I used this palette, the Violet VOSS palette, and I got this in a BoxyCharm. So if you got this in a BoxyCharm, you're all set. But this is probably my favorite look. I think I just might wear this dress and do this look for Valentine's Day because I just love it so much. Even though it looks very glam and difficult, it actually isn't. All of my looks are actually pretty easy. They have like steps. They maybe take a little time, but you can totally do this. You can do this. I hope you really like it. If you're new, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos and you don't miss out on tomorrow's look. But yeah, I hope you've been liking it so far. Hit the like if you've been liking Valentine's. Hit the like if you've been liking the 14 days of Valentine's, and let's just get started. This is actually the dress I'm planning on wearing for Valentine's. Like, are you guys gonna wear a dress? Are you guys gonna just be casual? Are you gonna even go out? I'm gonna start out with this color right here called Zomer. It is a like peachy color, and I'm just gonna get it into the crease first. These skies have a different light, why noise it keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find. I'm getting into Wink right here, and it's like a light, I don't even know, like a dusty pink. I'm just putting that right above and into the brows, just a little bit. So I'm gonna lightly get into Infatuated right there. It's like very, very light, and just put it in the crease very, very lightly. Like very light, like it's only gonna barely deepen it. Do you see the difference? So I'm debating between this olive shade, this olive glow shade, and this olive shade right here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that shade all over, but I'm gonna make it more of a cut crease. So I'm gonna get in and cut my crease with a white concealer. You do not have to cut your crease if you're trying to do this look. You can just go straight in. I'm gonna do it because I like how it makes me look, my hooded eyes look less hooded. So I'm gonna go in with this olive glow shade right here. I think this is super pretty. So I'm gonna put that on a brush and I might spray it as well, but I'm putting that all over. Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? Cause I've been counting the days and I'm calling up to say. So on this outer half, I'm gonna start putting that other olive shade, the Olive Me, and I'm gonna start blending that in the outer part of the eye here. But I'm coming home. So I'm getting into this Infatuated shade from before that I put into the crease, and I'm lightly just gonna go into the crease again. Okay, so I'm gonna get a tiny brush. I'm gonna get into that olive me shade that I put on the outer part. And I'm just gonna kind of just make sure it's not too harsh over here. So I have this e.l.f. glitter liquid eyeshadow, and this one is, it's the liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Black Magic. So it's a black with like sparkles in there. I want to use this really close to the lashes and see if I can do like a liner with it. I thought that would be really cool. So oh, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna try that. Okay, so I think I need to first put a black there. So I'm gonna grab a black and I'm gonna put that really close to the lashes here. I'm coming home to you. All right, now I'm going in with the black glitter. Oh, I love it. It looks so cool. I'm gonna put some black in the tight line, and then I'm gonna put on some lashes because I think it would look really cool with some lashes. I have these Mejosi lashes that look like this. It's very like flared out. So I'm gonna pop those on very quickly. I think in this lower, in the waterline, I'm gonna use this. This is the Appeal Gel Liner in Forest Green. Oh my gosh, this look might just be my favorite look. I might just do this for Valentine's because it's like a green. You don't typically see that, but I have like this red and green like dress you guys are gonna see. I would even be freaking crazy and do like a red tinted like lip gloss. That's what I would do. Like one of those jelly red lip glosses. That would look so cute with this look. This gold looks like almost like a pinky gold, like almost like a rose gold. I'm gonna put that, it's called Lovebird. I'm gonna stick that in this inner. Should have done that before I popped on those lashes. Ooh, but I like it. It's not super brightening, but it's nice. Ooh, I like it. It's like ties into the pink. And then I think in the very inner corner, I'll probably do this Major Spotlight. It's like a white, but that's like at the very innermost corner here. Wow, this may be my like favorite look of it all. Okay, I'm gonna get in the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I'm gonna put this on, and we're gonna be poreless today. Like right here. For foundation today, I am taking out an old favorite of mine. This is the GLAMAFLAUGE foundation from Hard Candy. This is like a no budge, like foolproof foundation. I'm in the shade Olive here, so I'm gonna put that on as my foundation. It's been a while. Hopefully it's not too dark. It's been a while since I've put this baby on. Okay, I'm gonna use this matte monoi from Physicians Formula bronzer to contour with. Contour and bronze at once. It like has almost like a peachy, like oranginess to it, but I like how it looks. Okay, so this is the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in Work. And I have like, it's like a little mini, but I'm gonna put this on, and I think I'm gonna do that with a stippling brush. We're gonna see how that turns out. This is kind of like a sticky formula. How is this a lip and cheek? This feels more like a lip product, in my opinion. I'm loving how this is looking so far. I think it looks so beautiful. Okay, highlights, I'm gonna go in with this. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in the shade Precious Petals. It's just been such a long time, and this has a little bit of a pinky tint, and this actually matches this inner corner very, very well. So I'm going to go in with that very lightly. Spray. Okay, I don't want to mess it up by doing too much on the lower lashes because I already have that that color in the lower lashes from this liner. So I'm not going to go in any more in the lower lashes. I'm just going to put on lower lash mascara. That's it. So that's what I'm going to do. Yes, I love how this looks. So good. I'm just going to dip into this like white color here, this Major Spotlight one more time and put it right at the very inner corner there because it kind of rubbed off when I did my concealer. There we go. It's probably gonna be one of the longer looks because I spent so much time just really focusing on how my makeup looks, and I think it looks freaking bomb. I hope you can see that on camera. Okay, honestly, for the lips, you could probably put on like a lip oil with like a pink red tint like this and you'd be good. So I'm gonna show you guys because you could totally do, that's what I would do. I would just do this because it looks so beautiful. There's so much going on. Oh, this lip oil has like a red tint to it. Feels good. Looks good. And it's just like, this is what I would do. This look to me is glossy, beautiful, sexy, perfect. Like you don't need anything else with it. So I think I'm gonna stick with this. Or you could do like a nude lip. You totally could do a nude lip. You could even go in with this, the same color you went in as for your blush and do like a light wash and tint and then go in with the gloss. But I love how this looks. It's so like juicy and nice. So here's that lipstick where it's this matte lip color. Look at that, like how beautiful it looks. And then if you pop on this lip oil, look at this. Look at how beautiful this is. The oiliness, the like, I absolutely love it. I love it. This look. I'm for this look, you guys. I'm being so dramatic right now, but oh my gosh, I'm dying. I love how this whole look turned out. Let me know down below in the comments what you think. Do you like how this look turned out? This would look so perfect with this dress, you guys. Go see the dress down below. We can be like matchy-matchy for Valentine's. I am so lame. Like I am that person. I am that friend that wants to be like matchy-matchy. I'm that friend that wants to wear BFF matching like bracelets or necklaces, and I will wear it like every time we hang out. Like that's who I am. Like that's who I am. I'm so cheesy. Anyways, I hope you really enjoyed it. Don't forget to smash that like if you've been liking the series so far, and to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.